To create a QR code for a PDF, start by opening your web browser and navigating to a QR code generation website, such as for me-qr.com. Click the Create QR Code button on the main page, which will take you to a new screen where you can select the PDF file type. Upload your PDF file by clicking the Upload PDF File button, selecting the file, and clicking Open. You can also optionally provide a name or content category for the QR code. Next, click Customize and QR Code to personalize your code by adding a frame, changing its shape and color, and more. Once you're satisfied with the design, choose the file type you want to download the QR code in, located beneath the code, and click Download QR Code. This process will allow you to successfully create a QR code for your PDF.